You know how I'm coming. You know exactly how I'm coming. It don't stop. The shit don't stop.
Yo, what's good, man? It's Kludge, ManiC. And today your boy got the new keyboard, RK Royal, Royal Kludge M87 keyboard. So this is my newest keyboard. This is me doing voiceover over this video. This is not in the video, shit like that. So as you see, this is how the box came. This is how the box look. Excuse my desk. My desk is kind of dusty. This is an old desk. Try to clean it. Shit like that. Some stuff is like stains and just won't come out. I try to use rubbing alcohol, soap, this and that. There's some shit just won't come out. But besides that, he goes the box. I'm about to go ahead and give you like a little good review or review, shit like that. So this is what's inside the box. The manual is pretty nice because this mug got some nice features. I like the fact that this mug got like 2 knobs at the top, all type of little features. You got the home keys. You have a calculator key. You have all type of shit that my other keyboard didn't have. You have a scroll, print, page up, page down, delete, all type of shit. And you got the custom backlight instructions, so you can set your own custom backlight on the keys, shit like that. So you see step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and stuff like that. Multimedia key for Windows, for Mac. Very useful. Step 1 browser, mailbox, calculator, player, stop, less, play, all shit like that. Excuse me if it's like kind of too shaky. I don't have a camera. I don't have like a tripod or something like that. I'm using my regular phone to record this. So as you see, the manual is like pretty decent. I hate when like you buy something and like they have a manual of like instructions, but the instructions don't really be like good. It be like kind of meh. As you see, you got all the other shit right there. Function keys. It's at the top of the keyboard. Product basic. That's it. What else came in the box is the wire and some keycaps. Yeah, this function keys is for like music and video. So you got the power on button, got the stop, last song, pause, and next. I really liked it. I like it a lot, to be honest. And indicator light knob function. So you'll see later on when I show you the keyboard what all that shit do. But right now it's for the volume. If you press down on it, you'll mute the volume, which I really like. The left knob is like to navigate the little menu where the GIF be at, and then you can set the time. But yeah, so far I'm loving this keyboard. I bought this mug off of straight impulse because my other keyboard, it's like it's not doing bad, nothing like that. It's still decent. But I just feel like it's time for a new keyboard. So I seen this keyboard, being liking it. I just instantly bought it. I said, fuck it. So, as you see, I'm trying to give y'all like a good, clear, like view of the manual, so you can actually read. You can stop, pause if you want to. Just like that. You got the wire mode. This is at the back, so you could use the keyboard with a wire. You could take the USB piece that's in the back of the keyboard, plug it to your PC or laptop, and use it like that, or use Bluetooth. So this is the Bluetooth feature right there. Bluetooth connection with knobs, like that. So yeah, you can link it like that. I don't see why you would do that. I mean, I kind of do, but same time I rather just use the wire or the USB piece that come with it that you could like put into your laptop or PC. I feel like it's better. So I had charged my shit up, shit like that, and I just used the USB piece, which is there right there, the 2G 4G connection. It's a little small USB piece. So you just do like that, plug it up with success, it'll link. And yeah, man, pretty decent. There you go, right there. Then you got the backlight control function, so you could turn the backlight brightness up, down. You can turn the speed. You decrease the speed, increase it. You can switch the effects. Say, man, And this is the display of what's on the little screen by the left knob. So you can either set it to the time of day, or set it to the GIF. If you customize your GIF too, you can put like pictures that you got on your device on it, which I did, which you're gonna see later on in the video. But the reason why I dislike this part kind of slow, because like I said, I wasn't recording the audio when I record this. I had shit going on in my background, so I said I'm just gonna like put my voice over this shit. So I'm gonna put timestamps so you can like skip over the parts that's more important. Okay, so you're gonna see the items in the box. I need some water, kind of parched. So I got this little case to protect the keyboard, which is alright. And then the items behind this little compartment is basically like the wire to charge your keyboard up and connect it, and like I think it's a keycap remover thing right there, and some extra keys right there. Yeah. So you can customize it, blase, just three things in general. The wire is extra, it's kind of lengthy. I would say it's about the size of like a regular phone charger. USB-C. So yeah, it's about the size of like I would say like an Android charger or iPhone charger. Probably a bit longer than that, but not like crazy long. It's lengthy enough though. So if you got a PC right next to you, if your PC is on the ground, you probably won't connect that long. It's not that long, but if it's like your PC like on top of your desk or some shit like that, it'll connect basically. So yeah, man, they had a purple one, and they had a purple bluish kind, and the reddish one that I got. I want this kind of like red. I think I got red, black, and white. That's some of my favorite colors. And I wasn't really digging the purple. Like the purple is just, don't get me wrong, it's fire, but I'd rather get the red. So as you see, you got the little stand on the back of it. Look at this motherfucker. And that be kind of heavy. I do have some voice audio finna come through, so go ahead, enjoy that. Be right back.
Yo, okay, so we talk, so you hear the clicking at the keys. The stuff you hearing in the background, that just something on a tablet. That's on the YouTube stream, but this is how the keyboard sounds. Surprisingly, this keyboard is pretty. It's a little heavy. It's a little heavy in the weight. It feels nice though. Keys feel very satisfying. To make a size comparison, this keyboard. This is the keyboard I've been using for gaming, basically. You see how much of a difference that is? You versus who she tell you not to worry about type shit. As you see, this one is a little louder, but this one is kind of soft. Don't get me wrong. This keyboard, I never know how you pronounce that shit. I just say Snooperty. This keyboard is my little baby. I'm still gonna keep it, still gonna use it here and there, but this is gonna be my new main one for gaming and shit like that. I think what I'm gonna do is, cause I had an older keyboard, I had Black Web. That's like the main one I've been like using for like other shit. I'm gonna replace that one with this, and still have this out too. Shit like this. I have more space and shit like that. Cause the back legs on the big one over there are broken. One of them are broken. So yeah, I haven't plugged it up yet. I'm pretty decent. Got the knobs. I like it though. So hold on. Give me a sec. Okay. So I'm finna plug it up. And also this is this keyboard is Bluetooth. So yeah, you can do it like that. There's multiple ways you can like have it connected. I'm about to plug it up with the charger, USB-C, and yeah, show you how it is. I could press the power button. He do got some battery in this motherfucker. I just want to show you something. So plug it up. It's a start screen on it. A little GIF. And then we like that. Show you the time. Like I said, this is Bluetooth, so I can unplug it. And bam. See? It's on 69%, which is wild. Yeah. Most of the time I'm using it, I'm gonna have it plugged up. So yeah. So I want to go with some things right quick. Like I said before, if you hear some noise in the background, that is just that's literally a walking stream on the tablet. So just ignore that. So step 1, F1 1. Oh, so you see it's one spot. Oh, I'm about to use this hand. FM print into the backlight recording mode. When the keyboard backlight is off, indicates the backlight starts recording. When it's done, press FM print again. Save the settings. Press the keys you want to customize. So FM print. You had it bit all set up how you want that bit. What about these keys? Okay, cool. Hey, that's dope. I like that. So yeah, you can have it like that if you want to. When it's done, so now stop recording. So these keys gonna be like that. Okay. Hey, wire mode. So this is what I'm talking about. You can do the cable, USB, press and hold key knob approximately 5 seconds until. Okay, I'm gonna do that in a few. Switch the dynamic backlight fix. FN scroll. Okay. Yeah, a lot of modes on this motherfucker. Cause you see these are all different. Ain't none of these really sound like I'm seeing more than just like how many they got on this one. Oh, so this is the brightness. So FN up is to increase the brightness, FN down is to decrease it. And this is the speed, left and right. So left is making it slower and right making it faster. Okay. I don't quite know which one. Okay, so we're gonna start with this. So this is 1, 2, 3 is off. 4, 5 off. 6, 7, 8, 9 off. Hold on. Okay, so I skip. Hold on. So we're gonna start over. Okay. We're gonna start. Well, I did my custom one. So this is the custom one. So this is 1. This is 2, which is off. 3, 4. Let me get a better look. 5, 6, which does this. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, So they just fade away. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So there's 19 in general. Oh, I got the sniffles. I could be wrong, but I counted 19. It says 19 backlight effects, which is crazy. I'm gonna set the time for this. So as you see, excuse my sniffling. I'm gonna just edit this shit out. It said press and hold the left knob for approximately 5 seconds until the gear starts flashing. Enter the manual adjustment mode. Method 2, select time method in settings. Press left knob to adjust the. Okay. I'm playing with knobs now. Pause, man. So this said press and hold. Press, hold, 1, 2. Okay, select time setting. So it is, what's today's date? It's June 24th.
Okay, I'm back. So yeah, I went to go set the time. The thing about this keyboard though, it do like 24-hour time. It's not like 12, then you go back to 1, you go 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, all the way back to 0 hour type shit like army time. So I don't know if that's a setting I just got to change, but yeah, man, and I'm doing that, getting that done. But yeah, I don't really mind the army time because I got a stream deck right next to me, right here, so I can see what time it is, shit like that. And I like the fact that you actually set up the settings and shit like that. The seconds.
Yo, so this is something I wanted to talk about too. Alright, so you see the icons right here on the little screen. So this is window mode right there. So the purple icon is the wire, which you plug up to your PC, your keyboard, whatever, laptop. So the green is the USB right here that you're supposed to take out and put into wherever, your PC or your laptop, so you can connect it. You got the Bluetooth mode, you got the lock mode, and I forgot the other icons. I think that's it right there. Yeah, which is basically caps lock, which is the A. So let me see something. Oh, well, hold on, I got this. You got the scroll lock, which is the arrow down. You got the window lock. So yeah, if you're using the wire, if you plan on using the wire, make sure you use the knob and switch to it. So you got the Bluetooth mode 1, Bluetooth mode 2, 3, and you got the USB that's in the back piece that you take out the keyboard and put into your stuff. That's the mode right there. And then you got the wire mode right here. So you select it, bam, success. Now you connect and you can use your keyboard. Now, like I said, cap lock's right here. I can press it. Now, if I press the caps lock right here, you'll see the caps lock is enabled because I switched it to the right mode. So like that. So yeah, that is something you need to know. Okay, so I had got some stuff set up with the keyboard, so like that. And I'm changing the GIF into these things. Probably can't see it. There you go. Hold on, I'm letting it focus. These just random things that was able to fit. Might have more though. Yeah, man. So I just been messing with this. I realized some things with the knob. So if you want the GIF to show, you just keep turning till you see. You gotta click home, and then you can select GIF or have the time show. So it'll be like this, and then you do like this. And yeah, man, you just do like that. So I can actually unplug the wire because it's max charge now. Alright, so I'm about to put it on this mode. Alright, so now I can unplug this. And the keyboard will still be on. You see the wire right there. That's dope. And what I like about this is the fact that like if I turn the knob, you see the volume. So do it like this. So yeah, that's pretty dope. I like that a lot. I can just control the volume with the knob. You go to mute if you press down. So that's pretty dope. And then like with the keys, you got the computer, the home. No, this is a browser. So this is to open your computer, computer files, new browser, email. It's a calculator right there. This is media player, music, stop, forward, pause, rewind, pause, forward, mute, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that, so on, so on. We actually have a calculator key, which is pretty dope. See, man, I could do shit like this. I'm about to press F2 so you see what I mean. See, open up new browser. Be able to put the calculator. Shit like that. So yeah, man, if you want to change the GIF on your keyboard, basically you gotta like plug in the wire, have it wire connected. Go to this site right here, official website, www.arcadegaming.com. I don't think you access this site on Microsoft. On Firefox is what I use, so I had to go to Microsoft Edge for this. So when you go to the site, go to menu, go to download, go to WebDriver, click this, web links, select the device. This is my keyboard, both of them keyboard. This is the USB piece that's connected. This is the wired, paired. Click connect. So this is the stuff you want to like go over, see. You want to set it up. You can do like this, blase. But for the GIF, it's basically this. You go to TFT. You have to be like a small resolution. So you go to load image. Click it. You can click whatever you want. I have a file. This is the files I use, the images I use. So you select that. Make sure it's the right size. Also, when you do select an image, even if it's big, you can like you can crop it. So you use the scroll wheel to zoom out and make it fit, blase. And then
what you want to do, and it's important too. When you have multiple images, make sure you put this number to like 800. That's the play speed. Cause if it's like too low, if it's like 1, then the image is gonna be, they're just gonna like fly past quick, so they gonna be shoom. You ain't even gonna see the image. So 800 is slow enough for you to see the image, but fast enough for it to keep going to the next image. Shit like that. And you wanna do that, then you save it, and when you save, it's gonna load up on your keyboard. It's gonna take a little minute, probably like a minute, and then yeah. But what you wanna do, more importantly, is have a file for those images, because I don't think you can actually save this shit on here. You feel me? So you end up losing your images. You feel me? And you have to like go back and find. You might have like a whole bunch of images in your download folder that you just came across and shit like that. So I just have a folder just in case I want to add more stuff. I just add the previous images in back in or shit like that. And blah blah blah. But yeah, that's basically what you gotta do.
Can't even hear the music. Yeah, so I ain't gonna lie, I like this keyboard. I like the fact that you got all these little features, nice stuff to go with it, stuff like that. I think my shit had turned off because it's inactive. Oh, it was still on. Oh, okay, it just went on. What you call it? Okay. See, I like that I could customize these keys to whoever I want to set it to, shit like that. Right now it's on that. I could press this button, FN, and scroll. I like the fact they got this too. Cause as you see, my other keyboard didn't have all that. It is straight though. Like for what you call it, $40 something, that bit pretty decent. Yeah, you do shit like that. Turn this off. Let me close this browser. Have it like this. Like this so you guys can see it. You got different type of modes to it. I could like change the darkness and brightness with these keys. This turn the bright, this turn the dark. Just change the speed of it. Left make it slow, right make it fast, shit like that. I love how that must sound though. Shit like that. I love how I can add gifts to it, shit like that too. I'm gonna add some more. Friday night I just seen some images that I had in my files. I just put them on it. Just see if I could do it. I want an actual GIF, but I don't really quite know how to do it. You gotta be a certain size file. So right now it's 12 o'clock, so I think it's doing army time. So it's 0 hour 33 minutes and 30 seconds, which is actually 12, as you see right here, 12:33. So yeah, And you got the motor, you got window, you got the wire, you got the 2.4 whatever shit called, the 2.4G Lincoln success. You got the what that is, I think it is window lock. Let me see if I remember how to do this shit. Alt scroll, yeah, alt scroll, lock it like that. Caps lock, do it like that. If you mute the volume and shit like that, that icon pop up. But yeah, basically you get the idea. Got a calculate button right here. Actual calculator. If I press that, you'll see calculator pop up right there on that screen. Got an actual another one right there for the mail. Open up through browser, open the computer files.
But yeah, man. Some parts of this video, it was like different clips, different parts of fire. Said the same shit like two times. That's why. Yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. Y'all let me know how I feel about this keyboard overall. In my opinion, this was like one of the best investments I had made in a minute. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me your thoughts below. There will be a link in the description and comments on like where to find this keyboard and on Amazon, shit like that. And yeah, man. Give me your thoughts down below. ManiC, I'm about to smoke. Peace.